Hey guys, welcome to my cocktail vlog. This video is gonna be about a very simple cocktail called Moscow Mule. Nope, it's not from Moscow, not even from Russia. The origin of this cocktail is in California. For Moscow Mule we need 1 lime, ginger beer, and the most important thing is this copper mug. The second most important thing is, of course, vodka. And I'm using Russian Standard, not because they sent me this beautiful copper mug. By the way, thank you very much, Russian Standard UK. I'm using Russian Standard because a Moscow Mule should contain some Russian vodka, I guess. For Moscow Mule, we don't need a shaker. Just add a few ice cubes directly into the mug. And add 60 milliliters or 2 ounces of vodka. Now add ginger beer and we're almost done. Don't forget to give it a stir with a copper bar spoon. And if you guys don't have a copper bar spoon, you can use a black bar spoon. Feel free to use a straw or just drink it directly from the mug. So this is Moscow Mule, my friends. Oh, love it. You guys definitely have to try Moscow Mule. It's super easy to prepare, no bar tools needed. It's simply delicious. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and see you next time.